Your router uses two open-end wrenches to tighten the collet nut. One wrench holds the spindle, and the other turns the collet. After years of use, or if the collet is over-tightened, the wrench can be bent, or even cracked. Often the wrench is simply lost and must be replaced. Using the open-end wrenches to tighten the collet is easy, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
There are two open-end wrenches used to tighten the collet, which secures the router bits to your router. One wrench for the spindle and one for the collet nut. I'll show you how they're used. I'll tip the router over and remove the base. At this point, the collet is just finger tight. I'll go ahead and loosen it up. Now I can install my router bit. I slide it into the collet and I'll bottom it out. Now I'll raise it about 1/8 of an inch so that it's not sitting at the bottom of the collet adapter. I'll go ahead and tighten up the nut by hand, and now I'll use my wrenches to tighten it. One wrench on the spindle nut and the other on the collet nut. Once I have the nut tight, I'll bring the two wrenches together so I can do a final tightening with one hand. And now I'll reinstall the base. And that's how you can use the open-end wrenches with your router. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.